Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an awesome electric bike that's perfect for city commutes and weekend adventures, the Jasion EB5 Electric Bike for adults. Before we get rolling, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. You definitely don't want to miss out on this one if you're looking for a powerful, reliable e-bike. Alright, let's get right into it. First up, the EB5 is powered by a peak 500 watts brushless motor, giving you plenty of strength to tackle hills, rough roads, and longer rides without breaking a sweat. You'll hit speeds up to 20 miles per hour, which feels just right, fast enough for commutes but safe and manageable for casual rides. Battery life is solid too. The 360 watt-hours removable battery gives you up to 40 miles of range on a single charge, depending on your riding style and terrain. And because it's removable, it's super convenient to take it indoors to charge or swap out if needed. The bike is equipped with a 7-speed gear system, so whether you're climbing hills or cruising on flat streets, you can easily adjust and ride comfortably. It feels very natural, whether you're using pedal assist or throttle mode. Build quality is another strong point. The EB5 has a sturdy frame that handles bumps, gravel, and city streets with ease. Plus, it looks sharp, sleek, modern design that definitely turns heads. Riding comfort is top-notch too. The seat is nicely cushioned, and the overall balance of the bike makes it easy to ride for longer periods without getting tired. It's also packed with thoughtful features like a bright headlight, an easy-to-read LCD display for speed and battery life, and front suspension to absorb shocks and give you a smoother ride. Overall, the Jasion EB5 delivers an amazing combination of power, range, comfort, and style at a very competitive price point. Whether you're commuting, exploring trails, or just enjoying weekend rides, this bike checks all the boxes. Don't forget to check the link below to grab yours today at the best price. Smash that like button if you found this review helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.